Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to learn Uphill from English literature. Before starting the poem, we should know about the poet. Christina Georgina Rossetti was an English poet. She wrote a wide variety of romantic, devotional, and children's poems. She is famous for her poems Goblin Market and Remember, and the Christmas Carol in the Bleak Midwinter. The poem is in a question answer form. Here in the poem, the traveler is confused and nervous about the journey. So he or she asks a series of questions and the guide answers him patiently. In the first stanza, the traveler, who metaphorically represents man, is questioning to God that whether the road is winding uphill all the way, which means is it filled with difficulties all the way till we reach the end of the journey, which is death. Also, whether the journey would take the whole day from morning till night. In the second stanza of the poem, the traveler asks about accommodations along her journey. She asks if there is a place to rest for the night and is assured by the guide that she will find shelter from the darkness. She again asks whether the darkness will obscure the said resting place from her view, which implies that she has the fear of missing her destination. The guide assures that the resting place now referred to as an inn is impossible to miss. In the third stanza, the traveler asks her fifth question, whether she will meet other travelers at the inn, where she is supposed to take rest, whether some other travelers would also be taking shelter at that inn at night. She again asks whether she has to knock or call once she is near the inn. This indicates her underlying fear that whether the door will be locked for her. But the guide gave a very calm and clear answer that the door will open immediately, allowing her to enter and she will not have to keep standing at the door. In the last stanza of the poem, the traveler asks if she would find comfort and a bed to rest in the inn, as she would be tired and weak from the journey. The guide assured her that there will be many to ease her burdens and share her labors, and there will definitely be rest for the weary traveler. The final question that she asks, whether there will be a bed for her and for all those who seek shelter at the inn, which implies that she is asking whether all the weary travelers attain salvation after undertaking the difficult journey. The guide assures that there will be beds for all those travelers whose journey ends at the inn.